Il s'appelle Willie Stewart. Il fait partie d'un groupe célèbre reggae qui est Third World. And guess what? Monsieur, il passe connaissance li à Timounio. Et il y a un pile haïtien parmi eux.
For some schools in Dade and Broward County, the music department is a thing of the past. Willie Stewart from the reggae group Third World wants to bring the energy of music back to South Florida students. Jen C. Charles interviews him at the Lauderdale Lakes Educational Complex about an upcoming concert in which 30% of his students are Haitian.
I'm here with Willie Stewart from Third World, who has brought this wonderful program called Rhythms of Africa to 3 schools across South Florida. Willie, can you tell me about this wonderful program?
It deals with the kids. You can hear the noise behind us. It is fantastic. We have 60 kids that never played before, and they're going to perform at the Parker Playhouse. It's incredible. They never played before, but you're going to see an energy. It's going to be incredible.
So can you tell me the purpose of the program? Like, what are these rhythms symbolizing?
The rhythms that we're doing are from Africa and from the Caribbean. So they're doing like go-to music, which is West African, Nigerian, music that is like a high life. We're doing Brazilian samba. We're doing Nyabingi, and we're doing many other rhythms. Mento, where reggae came from, and then it involves musicians. We're bringing a journey from Africa to Brazil, to Cuba, Jamaica, Trinidad, and New Orleans, America. So it's 2.5 hours with musicians and children. Phenomenal. You'll never see another show like this.
And what was your inspiration behind that? What inspired you to bring this program?
Because now we've lost all our arts teachers. 40% of our arts teachers are now non-existent and in Broad. And I'm saying that we need the arts. These children only train for 7 weeks, and we can hear them. Suppose they had 2 years. So we're saying that we have to bring back music. Our children relate. When I was 6, I had a chance to play music. It brought me to 80% of the world, and I had a great time. I want to share this with children and everybody to find the rhythm inside of them, that heartbeat, that make a difference.
Where are you from?
I'm a Jamaican, but I was born in England to Jamaican parents.
Well, thank you so much for bringing this program here. And when is it?
It's going to be October the 15th at the Parker Playhouse, 2 o'clock and 7 o'clock. We're coming to Miami and we're going to West Palm. So watch out for Rhythms of Africa, the next big thing.
For information about upcoming Rhythms of Africa events, go to reggaemovement.com.